Hi besties, today we are going to the voter side. Akple, Ewordeme. That is what we are preparing today. So let's not waste time. Let's get started. This is my 1 cup of corn flour. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it with some water and set it aside. So as you're seeing, I will add some water, mix it with my hands, and then I'll just set it aside. Then I'll come to my cassava dough. Okay, I'll do the same thing, mix it with my hands, and then I'll set it aside. It's optional. You can choose to add the cassava dough or just cook it without the cassava dough. So we'll bring some water to a boil and then add our corn flour mixture bit by bit. Okay, so here we are trying to create a concept of porridge. Okay, we are preparing porridge with the corn flour mixture. Okay, so at a point, go ahead and add your salt and let it boil. So when it boils, scoop some aside. Okay, as you're seeing, you just scoop some aside, and I'll show you what you will do with this later. Okay, then we will go ahead and add our corn flour bit by bit. Okay, as you're adding, then you're stirring because you don't want any lumps. We are trying to avoid lumps here too. You will keep stirring. Okay, so when you realize it has taken a bit, go ahead and add your cassava dough mixture. Okay, and then you keep turning and then stirring and turning. Okay, as you see me doing. Okay, do the same thing. Okay, just keep on doing the same thing because you don't want any lumps in here. So when you realize it has thickened, okay, it is hard, go ahead and add your porridge, the one we scooped aside. Go ahead and add it, and then turn it and cover it. Okay, so when it boils, turn the other side. Okay, flip the other side too, and then let it boil. Then keep turning it. That's all, as if you are cooking banku. It's not difficult at all. So at this point, what comes into your mind is what you're going to pair this with. There's a lot you can pair this with. Okay, some hot pepper with Kitasku boys, or some hot pepper with abobitadi, some fried fish or sardine with some pear and eggs. Charlie, there's a lot you can pair this. Okay, ademedechi, okra soup, okra stew. Charlie, oh. So just try this. You see, it's not difficult at all. Some people paired their own with this, and I paired my own with this. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.